This is the second video for my cast project, and for today's recipe, I am doing a simple strawberry sorbet. And this one is a recipe that we as a family have made many times, and it's one of my favorite recipes. And this is a really easy recipe. You only need a quart of strawberries, 5 tablespoons of sugar, but in this case, I am using the monk fruit sweetener, and then also a 1/4 cup of water, which I put in this Pyrex. And the organic strawberries we just bought from Costco, and the sweetener, like I detailed in the last video, I just found it at Fresh Time. It was easy to find, and this is a vegan and it is reduced sugar. There's still sugar in the strawberries, but the sweetener aims to reduce sugar in general and keep it a lowest sugar dessert. As detailed by the recipe, I then put the quart of strawberries and the 5 tablespoons of the sweetener into the food processor. You can use a blender. I'm just using a food processor because I feel that it'll break up the strawberries better. And then the recipe also says to add the water and continue processing until you have a smooth puree. And I'll do that once it's broken up more. This is usually the amount that we break it up into. And once you get to this point, you add the water, and then you continue processing it until it is a smooth puree. This is the amount that I blended it to, and the next step is to transfer it to a container and freeze for 2 hours, or like until it's firm enough to scoop. However, if you want, it is honestly edible right now, so I would say do what's best for you. If you're in a time constraint, I feel like it's not that bad either way. This is my final bowl served up after the 2 hours chilled. And again, this is a great alternative as a lower sugar dessert, kind of also a dairy-free alternative to ice cream. And once again, it's vegan. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and have a great rest of your day.